Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll talk about installing Primavera P6 EPPM 18.8, the web-based system. Now you need the following to be ready to install the system, which is JDK Java 8.8.1.81 for Windows 64 and JRE Java 8.8.1 Windows 64. You need also the Weblogic framework, which is 12.2.1.3.0 disk 1 of 1. And of course, you need to install the EPPM 18.8 from Oracle eDelivery. Now, I had to remove the Java from my system just to give you the example what is there. So I am here installing Java as a first video. Then the second video will be the Weblogic installation. And the third video will be installing EPPM 18.8. And the fourth video will be installing the Primavera P6 Professional. So if you are interested, please, after finishing this video, you should watch the other videos. Now, Java will start downloading, and we will follow the steps step by step. And here we are, it started, and this wizard will guide you through the installation process for Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 1.181. Of course, there is 1.9.2 now, but we go for this one as it is. Now it asks us where you want to install the Java. See, for me, I recommend to make it simple for you, okay, and make it direct in the C so it's easy to work later on, and make the folder as JDK and OK, and next. Now it's installing the JDK 1.8.1.181 for 64-bit. Now I need to highlight that you should use 64-bit because the EPPM now works only with 64 bits. So if your system is Windows 32, it's you should stop now and proceed when you have a Windows 64-bit. Okay, EPPM will not work with 32 bits. Okay. Now it will take some time to do that, and the JRE after that will be installed, and we are done with Java. You need to mark the location of Java, which we just did now, and Java JDK is C/JDK. Now, important information about Java SE roadmap. Change will coming, which will impact your access to future releases of Java SE from Oracle. Corporate users will be impacted as soon as January 2018. There is a big change, you know, and it's not our time to talk about it now. Okay, now it asks us to install the JRE. Okay, let's just use the same and see. Let's do it in the C and the new folder, and let's call it JRE. Okay, and okay, and next. Now we have both of them in the C drive, one in JDK, one in JRE, and the system has to be set it up with the variables, environment variables to allow Oracle installers to use Java during the installation of the Weblogic and of the EPPM and running the servers. Now, if you are not an IT person like me, you need to do a lot of research to understand what's going on. Myself, I I did a lot of research for the last 15 years about that. And I think I understand somehow what's going on in the IT sections of this regards regarding how Java is works and how to install these systems using command prompt and some programming. And while it's working here, let me go to the C drive. I'll go to the JDK, which is here. And here it's installed dated today. And here is the JRE installed today, 13th November 2018. And it's done. Now I'll tell you next step. Next step will just refer you to the updates and this Java website, so no need to go there. Now, after installing Java, we need to go to system variables. So just go to the search here if you have Windows 10, and let's write variables. Sorry. Okay, it comes immediately as an option, and you go edit the system environment variables and go to this option here, environment variables, and let's define the Java home. Here it's already defined because as I said, I removed the Java from the system just to show you how we do it. So you have to write here in variable name Java underscore home, and then write the variable value which you have it. As I said, just do like this. It will be better for you to use it like that. Okay, and that's enough for the time being. And let's go. Okay. Now, having now Java installed, I will stop this video here to make it short. And next step is going to the Weblogic. Now, most of you may be having Java already in the system because you know, it needed in the browsers. So if you have the right revision now, just jump to Weblogic and start installing the Weblogic. Maybe even you keep the revision you have and try to install the Weblogic, and if there is an error, just remove the Java, which you have it already in the system, and install 8.181 update. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, please put it in the comments, and we will follow up later on. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to support us to add more videos. Thank you very much.